Hello everyone, this is Sybil. Hope you're having a fabulous day or evening, depending on when you're watching this video. But I hope that you enjoy this video, and if so, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed already, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button. You can also hit that little bell icon. That way you'll receive a notification whenever I do a video. All right, so I received some happy mail yesterday. This beautiful purse came from Charlisa's Crafty Corner. And then this package of goodness came from Sabrina, the S Factor. And then I also purchased a couple of Destash goodies, and then a die order came in. So I want to share all of that with you. All of these things came in yesterday, but I had a busy day and just did not have the time to get in here and film a video. I've had a busy day today too. Good busy, but busy nonetheless. So let us jump in. I'm gonna share with you all this goodness from Sabrina, the S Factor. And Sabrina did write me, isn't this pretty, this envelope here? She wrote me a note, but she did ask that I keep it to myself. So this is from Sabrina, the S Factor Studio, and she created a memory dex card and asked for my address, said that she wanted to send me the memory dex card. And then look at this loaded envelope. It's my very first one that I've ever received. So thank you, thank you. At least I believe so. And then I'll share with you all those goodies. But look at this beautiful little pocket that she created here. This is beautiful. And look at that butterfly. Now I'm going to put a link to the video that Sabrina did sharing how she makes crepe paper butterflies. And I mean, it is a fabulous video. I learned a lot. I learned a lot about crepe paper that I did not know. And then just the way that she embellishes them and really makes them come to life. Super beautiful. So in here is the beautiful, beautiful memory dex card that she created. I'm going to turn it over. I wanted to see it by myself first because I know that a lot of us, when we send out our memory dex cards, we include our personal information, our mailing address, things like that on the back. And I know we don't want everybody sharing that. So I wanted to make sure. And this is what I thought was super cool about hers. She made a pocket. Do you see that? In the dex card, there's a little pocket in there. I thought, how neat is that? And she's got it decorated beautifully in the back as well. So pretty. It says a crafty girl. No, it says crafty girl, and there's scissors there. Pretty little hearts. Love, create, inspire. Adorable image. I think this is from the L Studio from Hobby Lobby. So pretty. Thank you for participating in my challenge. Oops, almost dropped it. And for sending me this beautiful, do you see all the shimmer? Memory dex card. And then what else do we have in here? Look at this. This little pocket here, this little divider. It says thinking of you. And oh, she's added some tea. Hibiscus lemongrass. I am a tea drinker, so I appreciate this so much. Organic hibiscus lemongrass. I will definitely try that out. Thank you, Sabrina. And then she gave me some mousse, Nouveau mousse. And in the letter that she wrote, she said that she loves this. This is one of her favorite crafty embellishment things to use. So, Nouveau Embellishment Mousse adds metallic dimensional details to your craft project, and that is a beautiful color. And then there's a little heart here. How sweet. I love that. And then some buttons. Aren't they pretty? They're wooden buttons with all different types of flowers on them. see here. Some stickers, faith, hope, praise, peace, love, grace. I love it. Stickabilities. Don't you just love Hobby Lobby? I do. And then there's a little tag here, just a note. That's so cute. That is cute. Look at that little girl holding that big pencil. Super cute. I love the little hearts. I hope you guys can see them up there. See all these sparkles? So, so pretty. And then, oh my goodness, what a cool pocket letter, or loaded envelope. Why am I saying pocket letter? This is, I have never seen one like this before. This is really, really cool. Do you see how she's got it folded here? Maybe that's how you make them. I've never made one, but look at this, like a corset. Is that not cool? And it says enjoy. How beautiful. And a butterfly. I love butterflies so much. This is beautiful. I love it. And then she gave me some Agenda 52 stickers. Love these puffy stickers. Super cute. And then some pins, I think. Oh, yep. Look. How cute. Caffeine Queen, get it, girl. Those are cute. I love it. Thank you, Sabrina. You are a sweetheart. How wonderful. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so from Charlisa's Corner, Crafty Corner, she creates these gorgeous purses, and she has a tutorial showing how to make these. But you guys, oh my goodness, this is just fabulous. Look at how beautiful. It's just incredible. And look at that gorgeous flower. And it has like a Velcro closure on it. I just cannot get over this. So Lisa asked me if she could have my address because she wanted to send me some things. And she created a memory dex card for me as well. And I'm not going to turn it over because it does have her information on the back. But look at that. La La Land Angel. Do you see the foil on that card? How beautiful. A rosette here with the doily, and it says blessings. And then look at the little bling on the flag there. Isn't that cute? I love it. Thank you so much. So beautiful. And she's given me a Miss Sparkle and Company stamp. Thank you, thinking of you, just for you. Hello, and a butterfly. And hearts. I love butterflies and hearts. Thank you so much. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm just going to take everything out of here. Oh my goodness gracious. Look how beautiful it is. Decorated even on the inside. I can't get over that. This is something I am going to treasure forever. Oh, it's just lovely. I am setting that out in my craft room. Look at the beautiful bling she blessed me with. So pretty. And then look at these. Those are beautiful rosettes. And then do you see the beautiful bling centers? Those are gorgeous. I guess I should take some of these things out of the packaging so you can see them. Let me get this paper here. Look at that. Now I think these are the flowers she makes with the bow dies. Aren't those gorgeous? Thank you so much for sharing those with me. They are exquisite. I love them. Wow. And then, excuse me, I'm going to take these bows out because it doesn't do them justice leaving them in the plastic. Look at these. I love them. They're absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, so much detail to everything you create. Look at beautiful, beautiful butterflies. Ah, I love them. I'm not going to take those out because I'm probably taking up too much time, but aren't those gorgeous? Look at the little flowers with the little bead centers. Polka dot. I love polka dot. Oh, thank you so much, Lisa. These are beautiful. And then look at this. How gorgeous. And look at that angel pin on there. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, look at this, you guys. It's filled to the brim. There's even more still in here. All these flowers. And of course you can use them for, you know, bow centers, bigger flower centers. You know, when you make flowers, you can use these. Aren't these pretty? Thank you so much, Lisa. Everything you created is just beautiful. I don't want to smush those. I'm going to set those there. Just in case I might set, you know, something on them. I'm going to avoid that by moving them totally out of the way because I don't want to smash them. And thank you, Sabrina. Everything you blessed me with is lovely. You ladies are so sweet. So really quick, excuse me, I wanted to share with you a couple of Destashes. I purchased this one, Nene Renee. I can't remember your YouTube name. Anyway, you've changed it recently, but I saw her share her stamps on Instagram. And so I sent her a message and said, I want these. So I got this Sweetheart one, Reindeer Lucy. These are all CC Design, and Lucy with a scarf. And they came lickety split. I mean, I paid and they were here in like 2 days. And then from Tina, the Crafty Bean, I purchased some goodies from her. More CC Designs. I'm not sure if this one's Spring Pinkies. Really cute. 3 little gals there with cute sentiments. And then the Candy Bean Wild Thing. Can I Ski Too? I love this one. Penny's Birthday Surprise. And then Swinging By to Say Hi. And then Tina gave me this one. I didn't purchase this. I purchased the others. But she gave me this polka doodle stamp because she knows I love them so much. So it's got the stamp and the die. So even though I have the full-size stamp, she gave me the little miniature one, and it comes with the die. How sweet. Thank you so much, Tina. And then I got my very first order of Coco and Reno from Peachy Chief, their Die Club subscription. It came in the mail, and I'm sure you guys have seen that. My video is long enough already, but those are flower dies. So thank you, everyone, for all the beauty that you blessed me with and you created for me. I appreciate it. Thank you, ladies, for having fabulous Destashes. Tina and Nene, I appreciate it so much. You guys have a fabulous day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.